Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. This is my Rolex Submariner. I got it around 1986 or 7 in Hong Kong. Anyway, I had trouble with the bezel popping off, and I lost it for a day or so, and then I found it. So long story short, I'm giving it a good cleaning. I found a ton of, for lack of a better word, crap underneath where the bezel rides. So I think that might have contributed as it built up to the lifting or loosening of the bezel, and eventually it popped off. Using Goo Gone and a toothbrush to clean it. I got those two parts clean, and they look pretty good. So I'm going to finish up with this one, and then I'll put it together and I'll show you. So there, I've got it all clean. There's a little spring right there that fits in a hole and then clips in. Let me give you a better angle on it. See, there's the hole right in the center of your screen. So there's a bent end of the spring that goes down in the hole, and then it sticks out. And that's what makes the click action when you're turning the bezel to set your dive time. And I think that's about as good as I want to get it. I put some silicone spray, just plain old silicone spray on the stem to lubricate the rubber. And I've only had this watch serviced once, and I said 86 or 87 is when I got it, so 97, 2000, it's 30 years old, give or take a year. And when I lost this bezel, I got a little nervous about wearing it, lost and found it, so I put it aside and I bought this Luminox, which I've been wearing a lot and I like a lot, but I kind of feel like I should be wearing the Rolex because it is a watch that I wear every day. I am not a guy that puts it in a safe or anything. I wear it every day. So now I may just kind of switch back and forth between these two. Tell me what you think. I don't have dozens of watches. These two and a nice Omega are about the only good watches that I've got, and then a bunch of cheap ones. So let me snap it together. I've got a NATO band. It's not really supposed to be called a NATO band, but that's what everybody calls it, that I wear on this one. I might get a new band, a new NATO band for this one, just to spiff it up a little bit. I've got the original stainless bracelet, and it also has gotten kind of beat up. So, and really, I never really was crazy about the bracelet. I like the look of it, but the way I don't know, I just kind of really like the NATO band when I switched to the NATO band. Let's snap this thing together. So it snapped on pretty hard, a nice solid snap click. The stainless steel washer, you turn this bezel upside down, you lay that stainless steel washer on the bezel, and then you make sure that the pin up here, the pin is engaged and is going to ratchet on all those little marking, those little machining, those little markings inside. And then when you've got that lined up, you just snap it right on there. So I don't know if you can hear it. I'm doing this one hand. So it only goes one way, can't go the other way. That's a dive watch, that's how they're supposed to work. Let's see if it lines up nice. It should. Yeah, it's perfect alignment. So I'm going to run that NATO band through the washing machine, then I'll put it back on here, and then I'll order another one. And maybe I'll show you what it looks like when I get the other one. Sorry, the light is not that great. Okay, it's a little better here. Okay, so give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. I would encourage you guys and gals to service your own Submariners. You can bring them to a jeweler or a watchmaker, or send them to Rolex and pay hundreds of dollars to get this done, but I just showed you how to do it. So, you're welcome. See you later. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. I will probably take this to my buffing wheel and buff this out. You can see scratches there. Yeah. I'll probably buff this out on another video. Okay? See ya. Froggy out. Bye. Here's the bracelet and the original box and everything that it came with. Might even have the receipt. Sorry, one-handed thing here. There you go. That was 51.50 Hong Kong dollars in 1985. 12,685. So you can do the math. Somebody do the math and tell me what I paid for this, will you? Thanks.